And I painted it black, and I've covered it up because I'm now going to carve up here. Now as I put a pipe, a little wedge, who knows? Okay, so one more. Which is changed my mind, put the aura mask on, and ran it again. And I painted it black, and I've covered it up because I'm now going to carve up here right after I get the overspray off.
Several days later.
So here's our sign. I'm going to put some polyurethane on it. But here's our sign. Here's a close-up. And then it says, Happy Halloween. So I'll throw some polyurethane on that, and that will go off to the lovely lady that requested it. Alright, I'll probably prop this up outside after it's done clear coating and take a still for the end of the video. But yeah, this is what we made today.